Yes, okay, traders. Yeah, it is another time and it is another weekend, and just I have got some time to share my own market outlook on gold for the coming week. And now this will be from 12th of December to 16th of December. It is just a general overview of what is most likely to happen in gold, and what you're supposed to do is just you have to add your own analysis in order at least to have a confluence from what I've said here with what you will see in your own analysis. If they align, it will be okay to go with that direction. So now mainly I'm going to do something a little bit quick here on the analysis, because it is just a continuation of what I already said last week. So new things, they are just very few. So maybe starting shortly with the monthly time frame. Now in monthly time frame, what I see there is just still a bullish momentum is there. So even this month is still just pushing up. So we have to watch for buys actually probably in the whole month. So anything can happen, but that is just an overview because the previous monthly candle closed with a bullish momentum. So now we go quickly to weekly time frame. So as I go to lower time frames, I'll be providing more detailed information. So here is just in higher time frame, it's just the highlight now. So now in weekly time frame, what I see there is just to have a powerful rejection from the downside, you see. And now this week opened with movement to the upside, then powerfully pushed it down, but it failed to close down. So buyers came in and pushed up. So now this formation suggests presence of buyers, and if you simply develop a trend line below there, you will find that now this buying momentum was created when price hit this lower trend line, you see. So now that's very important. And now due to the current week formation, now what you see there in this week formation, so now we expect now next week is going to provide us with a very clear information. Now when a weekly candle crosses, we are going to have a very clear picture of what is expected to happen in now the coming weeks now. So if next week is going to close bearish now from where it has closed, if it's going to close bearish covering this previous rejection, so we can expect a powerful sales now in the coming weeks now. And then if it is going to close above now, if it's going to close bullish now, we expect powerful buying in the remaining weeks of December. So that is just an overview in a weekly time frame. So next week is very important week to keep watching it. And now I can move to daily time frame where we can see some informations in detail there. So in daily time frame, we see clear trending up as usual, and always now you find that on Monday price was powerfully closed with a selling momentum. Then in the next day, the next 4 days, it has been buying, but actually it was moving with a struggle. So it is just different from how this single candle moved. So now it has used the 4 candles to at least move to around where this bearish candle started. So this indicates that sellers, they are still in, and buyers, they are now struggling rising prices. So what we have to expect there is maybe I can open my drawings now and wave count to see exactly. Now this at least gives a clear picture of what is most likely to happen, you see. So now always you will find that now we have this channel, a trend line. So even last week I had this, and my observations was now price is probably going to break up straight or may go down, and actually it went down, even though not as straight as I was expecting. I was expecting price to go straight up to this green box, but it has spent quite some time pushing up. So nothing is bad because we still have opportunity. So whatever the market is doing, just it creates opportunity for the next move. So when it was spending quite some time pushing up with the struggle, now this indicates that it creates an opportunity for sell. It creates an opportunity for sell, you see. There's an opportunity there. So basically what I can say maybe straightforward is, now when you see maybe let me go to 4-hour time frame, at least 4-hour time frame, you see. market has been moving with this struggle, so I don't have my mouse, so today I'm dragging with the pad here on keyboard, so it seems to be a little bit slow. So basically, you see, now price has been respecting this. Now this was my last week trend line now, so it has been respecting this and it has failed to break to the upside, so it has been rejected several times. So this indicates clearly that once it will successfully break this lower side retest, it is most likely to bump to that region there, you see. So it may go straight and bounce to this region here. We see we have this level, so this level is most likely to be touched for the first time. So if you are going to sell, maybe when it has broken this, you will do your own analysis. Now when it has broken this, if you are going to sell, your first maximum target must be this region. Now around 1770 must be your first maximum target, but you may still have other short targets now in between before reaching there, because now if I'm saying this is your first maximum target, because now when it has reached this level, there's possibility of it turning to the upside again and doing some sort of movements before it reaches this lower level. So that's why we have to mark this as our first maximum first target. And also it has got another way, it may open straight to this level, you see. It will break this level, you see, retest, and then go straight to this level. So this also is possible, and those downward movement, they are the most likely movement to happen next week. Those are the most likely movement to happen next week. But the last movement that also may happen now. The last movement that may also happen next week is this one to the upside, you see. Now we had this high, so we can put a level there. So price may, now this is also possible now, price may open up, breaking this level, retest, and then continue to the upside. So this is also possible. So we have to just keep our eyes on Monday to see what's going to happen. So two things must be watched closely on Monday. Either price is breaking up and retesting, we can keep up buying, and then if it breaks this lower trend line or channel, actually be watching for sales, and I suggest mostly to look for sales once it has clearly broken and retested this. So thank you for your time and have a good day. Make sure that you like, you subscribe, you put comment if you have anything to share here. Thank you.